Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Big congratulations to all of you for being selected as NICL AO. आपका जो final result आया, I know that you guys have already checked the result till now. So now the next process is going to be the medical. आपका अगला process होगा medical. You will be receiving the communication from the site of your company NICL over your SMS as well as email. So SMS email आप अपने active रखिएगा. यहाँ पर आपके पास list है. The list of provisionally selected candidate for the medical in the field of generalist and specialist. The interviews which are conducted in the month of November and December 2025 for that student. Now the next process is going to be the medical. Or medical, one more time they will be doing the document verification. The same document which you have presented at the time of interview आपको वापस से present करना है. उसके बाद आपका selection मतलब confirm ही है that just you need to do this one more thing before joining your organization. One more important information from our side. That is, if you have been selected by using any of the package of Guidely, either mock test or bundle PDF course or mock interviews, then there is a link which is available in the comment box as well as in the description. Fill that link. There will be a beautiful gift from the side of Guidely team which will be delivered to your home. गिफ्ट होगा छोटा सा जो हमारी टीम की तरफ से फॉर योर बेस्ट विशेस, फॉर योर फ्यूचर विशेस हम आपके घर पर डिलीवर करेंगे. फॉर दैट वी नीड सर्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर साइड. सो डू फिल दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इन द फॉर्म विच इज गिवन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एज वेल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आपको मिल जाएगा, वो चेक कर लीजिएगा. Back to the point, few of you will be worried about the document or medical verification and all. See, document means exactly the same document which you have presented at the time of interview. वही आपको वापस से एक बार और present करना है. So it is not going to be a challenge. Okay. If you have submitted any type of declaration at the time of interview that this particular document is not available with me, I am going to present it later. So do confirm that that document is available at this time with you. अगर आपने कोई भी डिक्लेरेशन साइन किया था इंटरव्यू के टाइम पर कि भाई ये डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, मैं बाद में सबमिट कर दूंगा, देन यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट दैट डॉक्यूमेंट नाउ इन द फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. मेडिकल एक तरीके नॉर्मल होता है. सम टाइम पीपल सेज दैट सर इज इट अ चांस आई मे गेट रिजेक्टेड ड्यूरिंग द मेडिकल. नो, इट्स वेरी वेरी रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर. Not even 1% student get rejected because of the medical. In case there is any problem, they even give you time to balance your parameters, and after that you can join it in a later stage after some time. Okay, so congratulations again from the Guidely team and wish you all the best for your bright future. Again, I'm informing you one more time that there will be a form which is available for you people. Fill that form and accept the gift from the Guidely team side. All the best for your bright future, guys. Take care.